This is an embroidery of cupcakes, and it's in a challenge in the Facebook group Slow Stitching on the Balcony with my friend Linda Coker. And I used the stick and stitch paper. So this one is glue, kind of adhesive on the back, and then you just use water to dissolve it. So I'm going to show you that now, and then once this dries I will go back in and add more embellishment on to wherever I want to on the fabric that I use. So I'm going to show you what I did underneath of it. So as this dissolves, it will reveal the fabric underneath. So that's the colors, and I did it in a patchwork design. I think this is just the coolest thing they've come out with, is being able to put the paper on and then you just rinse it all away. Okay, so as you can see, I used several different fabrics in the background, and it just is really going to be beautiful. So now this needs to dry. Let me go in a little closer so that you can see the embroidery stitching. The outline is what I did, is I outlined each cupcake so that the fabric that I put down is actually the cupcake decoration, instead of piecing the fabric, you know, onto like a muslin, piece of muslin or something like that. But isn't this cute? Look at how cute this is. I mean, I think it turned out really cute. So it's like the cupcakes are just laying here on top of all this fabric, and it just is absolutely fun project, and I love this stick and stitch paper. Now I have many slow stitch kits in my Etsy shop, and I give you a pattern with this slow stitch paper so that you can embellish whatever you want to embroidery with it. So check out my Etsy shop and see what kits that I have, and you'll find a lot of fun using this method. Thanks for being here, and I hope to see you in the next video. Stay safe and keep creating in the sunshine. Bye-bye.